Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at the smart integrated LED side mirror lights. This is actually one of my favorite accessories for the Maverick R. As you guys saw, I was at the launch of the Maverick R, and as I learned about the smart accessories, these side lights really struck my attention. In a car that I've had, when I would turn my steering wheel to the left or to the right, the beam would follow, and it was super nice making turns, and that's exactly what's going to happen with this light kit. Part number 715007185. Now, there's two parts to this. You're going to have to buy this light kit, but you're also going to have the side mirrors. And it has to be this mirror, okay? You can't do it with any of the other mirrors. So let's check out some part number and information. Okay. We're dealing with 3,000 lumens. Light up the corners, increase the width of the beams, and illuminate the wheels for increased visibility. Wide flood beam, and again, 3,000 lumens of light per light. That graph is showing you the direction of the light and how it travels. Left and right dynamic lighting with accessory control module installed. It's going to follow the steering wheel input. You don't have to do that. But if you don't, you got to have the wiring harness for the on-off function when the ACM is not installed, and that is sold separately. So the part number for the mirrors, I'll post that up in the description below. You're going to need the mirrors. You're going to need the kit. Let's see what's in the box. I've yet to open one of these up. Some zip ties, your mounting hardware. Gonna see what the length of the wires are if I can struggle getting this out of the box. There's your connector. Very streamlined, very thin. We'll get them installed up and do a video showing the functionality and how it works as you steer back and forth and direct that light left to right. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text. There's your part number. There's your current retail as of the date of the video. We're rolling up at the end of 2023. It's turning out to be a great year for us here at Big Pine Sports, and I'm loving the progress on the build. There are wires everywhere on this project. Have a ton of fun installing the accessories. I love the design of the mirror. The visibility's good as well. You don't have to have the LED light kit to rock these mirrors, but if you're gonna want the light, you do have to have that mirror. Have a great day, everybody.